Summer is here, guys, and you know when summer is here, it's time to power wash your house and anything else that you have that you want to power wash. So in today's video, I'm going to review the Greenworks 1900 PSI. It's portable pressure washer. It's got 35-foot cord and 20-foot non-marine hose, and it came with a 11-inch surface cleaner. I know the surface cleaner is a little bit cheap, but you can always upgrade it. We actually have a 2300 Roby PSI pressure wash. It's a little bit bigger, bulkier, but we wanted something a little bit smaller, more portable. So you know, just to carry around for smaller projects. And with this here, guys, with this thing, is that you can actually hook up 5-gallon bucket. Let's say if you need to go further out into the yard where your water hole doesn't reach, you can hook this up to a couple 5-gallon bucket and use it. So that's the real reason I got this, because I have projects and stuff where I actually have to use where I don't have access to water hoses. Okay, so guys, let's jump in it. Let's open it. I'm very excited. I got a good deal off of it. You can get this for $100 sometime when it's on a deal. Like Memorial Day or Black Friday. It's always on sale. So let's open it, guys. Let's see here. Again, it's 1.2 gallon per minute. Our 2300 PSI is actually 1.2 gallon too. So this one you can adjust the pressure. It's got a 3-year warranty too. So we have a lot of Greenworks product. We have a blower and a weed whacker, and so far we are very happy with it. I have not had any issue with it, and we start purchasing those items last year, so we've been very happy with them. Over the years, they have came a long way. The company, I know at first when they first came out with their product, it wasn't the best, but the last couple years they have really invested in R&D and excel the product. So let's open it, guys. Let's jump in it here. As you can see, a lot of bubble wrap. Look at this nozzle here. Again, this is a high pressure nozzle. It's a turbo nozzle, guys. Look at this here. You see that? Very heavy duty. You got the tips made of metal. This is kind of, plastic here, guys. So again, this is a portable. Wow, look, came with soap dispenser. Okay. Again, this is portable. The reason why I wanted some portable, because you can use it for, further. You can carry wherever you need to and use it. So here's the gun. Okay. Look at this here, guys. Brass, made out of brass here. And then here's, you got your 11-inch surface cleaner here, guys. Now it's got the brush. Again, this is just using around the house. And you can see here the surface cleaner is pretty simple engineering. It just you got pressure coming through and it just spins. It comes out the end of the nozzle, right? So you got that, guys, and then here it goes. We have the unit itself. Look at this. Weighs about 10 pounds. Again, this is portable. I love it. I can carry wherever I want. My Roby is pretty large, you gotta carry with 2 hands and everything. Again, this is 35-foot cord, so you got plenty of power, guys. And here you see you got your turbo nozzle, your 40-degree, and your turbo nozzle. Power cord. And here's your input for water, right? And your output here, guys, right? Okay, so pretty simple. You got your on off button, and then you got your 20-foot 20-foot non-marine hose, okay? A little bit cheap. Again, this is just simple projects you use around. I'm gonna use it for, like, let's say storage condos where I need to clean them outside. My plan is to have like 4-5 gallons and just kind of spray it a little bit, and I think this would work. Okay, you want something stronger, then yes, of course you need to go with the bigger units. But again, this is just perfect for me, for what I need. Again, perfect comes down to preference. So let's hook this up, guys. See how it works here. Looks like this goes, it just snaps on like that. See that? Just like that. Pretty simple. Okay, snap it on, and then you lock it. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then once you lock it on there, it's on there pretty good. Okay, and then you got your nozzle. You just take a nozzle, pull it back, of course, universal, snap it on. Okay. Voila, just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna give you guys a demo here eventually. On the video towards the end, there'll be a demo. But as of right now, this unit is really nice here. Okay, so you take the hose, guys, and the hose goes in here, and then the hose connects here, and then this end, of course, goes to the unit. Okay, and then if you're not using the gun, of course, you just hook this up, guys, right? This up to, I'm sorry, you hook this up to the end of this here, guys, see? To your surface, right? See, just like that. Yeah. And the reach here, you see, it's a pretty good height. I'm about 5'11", so comfortable height. And then you see here, guys, see, you can rotate it. Okay. Not bad. This is better quality built than the one I have on the Surface, but I have a better one also. And the Greenworks makes different type of service for different power washer. Okay, guys. So let's see if I cover everything. And then, guys, here it came with a regular nozzle here that goes on the tip of this here. You just snap it on, of course. You pull back and snap it on. And then for your soap dispenser here, you gotta take this off, guys. Rotate it, pop it off. Then you slide this in there, rotate it. See that? Let me show you guys here. Okay, you slide in there and twist it, and it's locked in place. Okay, and you spray just like that, guys. Simple to use here, simple to use. Okay, you spray with the soap, wash your car or whatever. And then another good thing about this unit is, guys, you know, when you need to wash your car, just take it out. It's small, it's efficient. It's not a hassle like the other one. When you want to wash your car, you gotta take out the bigger unit. So that's another plus. So I recommend the product. I'm gonna test it here, guys, and I'm gonna show you in a video at the end here. So enjoy, and until next review, guys, enjoy your summer and go do some power washing. Save some money. Bye now. Came with a 20-foot marine, non-marine hose. Okay, so I gotta turn on. Now we're finally up to 1900 PSI. Look how this baby clean, guys.